Hello everyone. Today, we are going to learn about angles as turns. Let's start with the basics, turns. Have you ever spun around in circles while playing? When we talk about turns, we are really talking about how much we rotate or spin in a complete circle. Full turn, this is when you turn all the way around and come back to the starting point. Half turn. A half turn is when you spin halfway around. This means you turn 180 degrees and now you are facing the opposite direction. Quarter turn. A quarter turn is a smaller turn, just one-fourth of a full turn. Now, let's talk about turns in real life. Ashutosh and Sahana are both making circles. Ashutosh made a full turn while Sahana made a half turn. You can also observe a full turn when the minute hand of a clock completes a full circle. Think about it. A giant wheel at a fair also makes a full turn when it comes back to the starting point. So, there you go. A full turn and a half turn are everywhere around us. Now that we know about turns, let's make our very own turn measuring tools. This is our angle measuring tool. A quarter turn is just one of the 8 parts. A half turn is 2 of the 8 parts. A full turn is the entire circle. Use these tools to see the size of different turns. Types of angles formed by turns. As you make different turns, angles are created. Let's explore the types of angles that form when you make turns. Acute angle. When you make a very small turn, you create an acute angle. This is any angle that's less than 90 degrees. Right angle. A right angle is exactly 90 degrees and it happens when you make a quarter turn. Obtuse angle. When you make a turn that's bigger than a right angle but less than a half turn, you create an obtuse angle. It's an angle greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Straight angle. A straight angle happens when you make a half turn. A half turn gives you a 180 degrees angle. Let's look at how we can measure angles and turns using some fun activities. Take a look at the gymnasts in the pictures. Can you see the angles formed by their legs? Is it acute, right or obtuse? These are the answers. Angles happen when we make a turn, just like the gymnasts did with their legs. The minute hand of a clock makes turns, too. When the minute hand moves by 15 minutes, it has made a quarter turn. 30 minutes equals a half turn. 45 minutes equals 3/4 of a turn. And when the minute hand makes a full turn, it's a complete circle. Try drawing the final position of the minute hand after each of these turns. Discuss with your friends and check your answers. Let's solve the first question together. In the first clock, the minute hand has moved 1/4 turn and then half of 1/4 turn again. That means it has moved 1/4 turn plus 1/8 turn, which is 3/8 turn. Similarly, do the rest of the questions. These are the answers. Finally, let's talk about the direction of the clock's hands. The hands of a clock move in a special direction called clockwise. But what happens when they go the opposite way? That's called anticlockwise. Now, let's wrap things up by learning how we can use our new knowledge of turns and directions in a fun game. Let's play a game with turns. Imagine you are standing in a direction, like north. What will happen if you make to right angles, clockwise? Yes, you will be facing the south direction now. You can pause this video here and solve the rest of the table similarly. Let's see the answers. Let's see the next scenario. For example, if Padma starts at the toy shop and makes a half turn clockwise, which direction will she face? Try it out and see. She will face the ice cream shop. Well done. You've learned so much about turns and angles today. From full turns to half turns and even the clockwise or anti-clockwise directions, you now know how to measure and explore them in your world. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on Edurif to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 5. Thank you.